Here, we are going to give you all the explanations you will need to set a broker platform and our strategy. So you will be ready to start making profit, very easy and safe. Before going to a live account, we suggest you go to a demo account for maybe 3 days or 1 week so that you can practice. After the practice, you can go to a live account. Okay, so to log in, it's simple. Let's go with Pocket Option. Pocket Option is our favorite for now. We use Pocket Option, IQ, and we use Quotex, but let's use Pocket Option. If you go to pocketoption.com, they will ask you for your email to sign up and create a password. There, you can change from a real account to a demo account with no problem. If you want to deposit real money, you can choose Bitcoin or any other method. For now, you can select the demo account for practice. This is how you log in. This platform is easy for newbies and will help you make good money with the system. Now let's see how we set up the platform. We're going to set it up like this. Choose candlestick. Remember to put it on 1 minute. The duration of the candlestick is 1 minute. You need to set this to 1 minute for the duration of the trade. So the time for the trade is 1 minute. Make sure it is set to 1 minute. Here's where you put the amount you want to invest. The payout is 92%. Don't trade on less than that. Even if you receive a signal about 80% or 70%, don't trade on it. Trade on 92%. That will help you with your martingale when you need to use it. Now, remember that in the same place, you can try to enable the timer. Why do you need the timer? You need it because of the candle. When the candle is finishing, you will see the countdown. 26, 23, 22. At 1, you will enter the trade. You need the timer for that, because the timer helps you control the candlestick entry. If you are in the Telegram channel, when you receive signal from our server, and here is where you choose the pair. Remember to always check OTC pairs. Click on them and make your choice with 92%. Don't forget that. Don't trade on less than 92%. Here we have the buy and sell buttons. Buy for the green candle, buy up, and sell for the red candle, sell down. For the risk management, we have built the software called Seed Optitrade Tracker to help you stay on consistent profits in the market by using our strategy. Please check tutorial we made on Seed Optitrade Tracker for more details. ShinySeed makes trading simple for everyone.